Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aditi Sharma and today I am going to talk about how you can use the power of LinkedIn. I am going to make this video in two parts. First is how you are going to maintain your profile, and second how you are going to get connected to the right people for the right opportunities. But before we go ahead, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Yes, LinkedIn is a very powerful tool which most of you tend to ignore. I want you to just consider it for once. When was the last time that you opened your LinkedIn account and got connected to somebody? Or in fact, when was the last time when you actually opened your LinkedIn account? Let me just tell you, it does not matter who you are, whether you are a student, you are a working professional, you are a business owner, whether you are satisfied with your job and your work, whether you are looking for new opportunities, it does not matter. LinkedIn is going to be helpful for you in any ways possible. Let's first talk about your profile picture. Make sure that your profile picture is not for your friends. It is for working professionals. It should look professional. It should be a close-up. It should not be the whole portrait picture of yours. We need a close-up of yours, a bit professional. It does not matter आपका background कैसा है. Either it can be थोड़ा सा plain background रहेगा तो it is a good thing, but if it is not, it's absolutely fine. आपको अपने ऊपर बहुत pressure लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just make sure that your face is clear and from the front view. That's it. As I said, your LinkedIn account is not for your friends. It is for the public. So keep your profile public. You do not need to maintain a secrecy on LinkedIn. You have to present yourself professionally. So show everything professional that you have. You do not need to make your personal connections over there. You have Facebook and Instagram for that. Don't do that. In fact, let me just tell you, even for the Facebook and Instagram profiles, if you maintain it professionally, it will be an add-on for you, and that is the reason you should maintain it in a more public manner. So if you have an account on Instagram also, you should actually consider it making it public account. Now let's talk about your name. How do you go about with your name? First is your name and then is your designation or the role that you are playing currently. If you are looking for a job, do not mention it over there, looking for an opportunity. No, it is not required. You can write the role that you are looking for, okay? And then uske aage you have to mention about your unique ability, whatever it is, or unique achievement that you have had, whatever it has been. For example, I have mentored 100,000 people. I have achieved itna number of sales. You can write anything that you want, but make sure you write some of your achievements over there. Or if you don't have any, you can also write about your expertise. Okay, so what is your expertise? You are a marketing strategist, you are a vendor manager. You can write anything, any specific speciality that you have or expertise that you have, you can mention that. Coming to the featured section. Now when we have the featured section over there, it is not important that you have to be featured in any of the online websites or newspapers or anything. It can be your personal profile also. So you can prepare your own portfolio and you can upload it over there. And in that case, you can also make a portfolio which is in a form of a video. So it will look more presentable. Now let's talk about your about section. What is it that you must write about yourself? When you are writing about section, I want you to make sure of one thing, that is you are writing in the first person. You're writing about yourself by yourself. You don't have to mention Aditi is good in this and she is this and she is that. I don't need to write that way, okay? I need to write it from my perspective. I am writing about myself. आपका current क्या पोजीशन है, आपने क्या अचीव किया है, आपका क्या गोल है, क्या विजन है, वाई यू आर वेयर यू आर, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू राइट and it has to be crisp and to the point. A lot of stories are not required. It should be more of like that, why the other person should get in touch with you. Okay, so write about those things. Talking about recommendations, first thing is that you make sure that you are reaching out to people every 6 months. Okay, every 6 months means it does not have to be that you have to ask each and every person, please write an endorsement for me or recommendation for me, but you get connected to your ex-employees or maybe your subordinates, somebody from your workplace where you have worked with earlier. Just get in touch with them and ask them to give a feedback about you, a recommendation about you, what you are good at. Tell them what you seek. You can even do one more thing. You write a recommendation by yourself and then you tell them that this is what I would love to post on your behalf. If you can do this for me, I would really appreciate it. You can ask them for a favor definitely anytime, and of course you need to know what kind of people are going to give you the recommendations, so just get in touch with those people and maintain your relationships with them. It shouldn't be the way that, you know, I am asking you for a favor and then you're lost, you're gone. It shouldn't be like that. Just maintain your relationships. It's very important. Then comes the skills and endorsements parts. Now over here, what I have personally noticed is that when I go to somebody's profile and if I endorse them, if I endorse their skills and everything, even my name is there on their profile, which I feel is good because I am visible on someone else's profile as well, right? Now, to maintain your profile on regular basis, keep on updating your skills and endorsing the skills of other people. Also keep on asking for recommendations on regular basis, maybe within the time span of 6 to 7 months. That's absolutely fine. And now, to maintain your profile on regular basis, keep on updating your skills and endorsing the skills of other people. Also keep on asking for recommendations on regular basis, maybe within the time span of 6 to 7 months. That's absolutely fine. And at the same time, when we talk about the content and everything, we are going to discuss about it in part 2. So keep watching.